That's Griffin Street to the left, and the parking included on the right beyond those little blue gates. Small lobby at the entry. Everything's insulated. Same in this area. You also have a large roll-up door to the right that's automatic. The one on the left, currently behind me as the photographer, is manual. Got a large loft upstairs. The total square footage of the unit downstairs is about 1,200. The loft upstairs is probably closer to 200 square feet. And then you've also got these about 3 parking spaces beyond this little gate